Ever made a money mistake so bad you still cringe when you think about it? Maybe it was a bad investment. Maybe you spent recklessly when you knew you shouldn't. Maybe you lost money, got scammed, or just made a financial decision you regret. And now? That memory still lingers. It makes you doubt yourself. It makes you fear money. And whether you realize it or not, that old wound is blocking your financial abundance today. But not anymore. Because today, we are healing it. Welcome to day 2 of the 21-day Ho'oponopono challenge. Yesterday, we uncovered our biggest money blocks. Today, we are releasing financial wounds from the past. Because if you are still holding on to guilt, shame, or regret around money, you are unknowingly pushing abundance away. Small Blue Diamond will acknowledge a past financial mistake. Small Blue Diamond will use Ho'oponopono to heal it. Small Blue Diamond and we'll rewrite the story so money can flow freely to us again. Let's begin. Grab your journal or phone notes and answer this. Moneybag, what is one financial mistake I still regret? Think of a time you felt guilt, shame, or embarrassment about money. Small Orange Diamond, maybe you made a poor financial choice. Small Orange Diamond, maybe you ignored your intuition. Small Orange Diamond, maybe you felt powerless and let money slip through your fingers. Write it down. Be honest. Don't judge yourself, just observe. Now, take a deep breath. Hold that memory in your mind. Instead of running from it, we are going to face it with love and forgiveness. With your hand over your heart, repeat these 4 phrases while thinking about that financial mistake. Small Blue Diamond, I'm sorry for any pain, stress, or fear this caused me. Small Blue Diamond, please forgive me for holding on to this mistake for so long. Small Blue Diamond, thank you for the lessons it taught me. Small Blue Diamond, I love you, to myself, to my past, and to my financial journey. Say this 21 or 108 times. Let each word sink in. Visualize this, imagine that memory dissolving into light. Feel the weight lifting off your shoulders. You are no longer carrying this burden. Here's the truth, that mistake wasn't a failure. It was a lesson. It was a stepping stone to financial wisdom. Affirm, I forgive myself for my past money mistakes. I now welcome abundance with an open heart. Take a deep breath in and release all lingering guilt and regret. Money trauma isn't just about the numbers, it's about the emotions attached to them. But when you heal those emotions, you shift your entire financial reality. And today, you just did that. Your challenge for today. Write down your past financial mistakes. Repeat the Ho'oponopono phrases 21 or 108 times. Comment below, what money belief are you choosing to release today? You are transforming. You are healing. And trust me, money is about to flow to you in ways you never expected. Hit save to return to this practice whenever you need it. See you on day 3.